Tom, you ready to play tonight?
Yeah, man.
Who are you versing?
You, man.
Oh yeah. The score predictions?
0-0.
Do you think I should make a vlog for summer soccer instead? I don't know. I'll just be like, yes guys, my name is Ben Axiak, and this is Summer Soccer Episode 3, Red vs Black. Hopefully we get the W today. Hopefully I play well. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it was so hot today. In my house, it was like a sauna. And then I went into the toilet. Toilet's just like a little box. It's like one little window. And yeah, it's, man, I was cooking in there. Look at these little grubs. Can't even see them. They're so small. Just squash them. No, I missed. Jesse.
Hey guys, exclusive content tonight. Follow me on OnlyFans.
What's your YouTube? Yeah, what's your Twitch? Plug your Twitch.
Follow me on OnlyFans at quinton.com.
Yeah, Quinton. Yeah.
Don't blur it out.
Oh my days. Yeah, are you gonna score tonight?
Yeah.
Wait.
We're a second half team.
100%.
2-1, they're up 1.
First 2 games, no scores between the 2, and then second game we came forward easy.
Every second half,
We will just take over.
we bring it back, so.
Yeah.
I've had one thing on Ben, like one on Ben.
Player.
I don't know, he doesn't come on me, he's scared. Oh, that's not weird,
Have a
man.
sip of that.
He's scared, he doesn't want it, man. I need a shot, I'm just gonna shoot. I don't care if it goes flying, man. I'm fucking.
If that kid...
Alright Ben, so when you're watching this back, after the game I would have rainbow flicked you, scored on you, and you'll be having a nap as well. You'll be sleeping on the floor.